So I think in the last 1.5 years, what we've done is we've increased our production capacity by about 20%. Also, what we've done is we've automated our production workflow. So what I mean by that is there are schedulers, automatic schedulers, and there's streamlined workflow, which ensures that every product that is made in our factory has specific guidelines which are automated that one has to follow so that the customer, when he receives the product every single time that he orders, is of the same specifications, same quality standards, and we're maintaining the same customer experience. One more interesting thing that we've done is we have an automated chatbot, AI powered, which means that there is no human intervention when it comes to talking about a customer asking for price, for specs, for basic product videos, for more and more information regarding the product or the process, or wants to join in as a distributor and be a part of the ProDot family. Everything is automated. So we get these inquiries and the AI chatbot responds itself. So that is something that's we've done and we've achieved in the last 1.5 years. So I think we have a team size of about 500, 700 people working with us. And when we talk about women, so from the shop floor or the manufacturing in the manufacturing house at Dehradun till the leadership here in Delhi, we have close to 30-40% of women working with us. And we provide, and with pride I say this, that we provide a safe, dignified environment for them wherein they feel that they are a part of a healthy family and they are now soon becoming decision makers of their household because they're contributing there. And it's a very fair and a very nice and positive environment that way. In terms of upskilling, then we regularly do conduct refilling trainings for the youth. That is, these are free sessions wherein they can come and enroll and join us in terms of how to refill, which products, what are the compatibilities, what are the limitations, what are the advantages, what are the precautions that they should follow in order to refill cartridges and inkjettings. So this is something that we sort of do as an industry, as a company, to give back to the society. So these are few initiatives that we take care of here at ProDot. I think one good thing that I've learned across this journey is to fight my own battles myself. So there were projects that I had to take with zero knowledge and learn along the way. Be dedicated, learn every day, do more research so as to prove. And there are few things that together as a team we've wonderfully achieved across, I think, more than a decade now. So it's been a tremendously amazing, grateful journey and very self-fulfilling because there's a lot to learn every day. I still learn a lot of things each day. And just fill myself, my basket with more experience. Don't doubt yourself, over prepare, and rock and shine. That's all I would like to say. And it works. It works in my case, and I'm sure it will work with every case. So that's all.